In this video, I'm going to show you how we can download and install the Node.js on our system. First of all, go to Node.js download and just for type Node.js download, and you will see the first link here, that is nodejs.org, and make sure that you are downloading the Node.js from this official website. So just click here, and after clicking here you can see the two versions, that is one is long-term support version, that is LTS, and another one is current version. And if you are beginners in Node.js, then try to install the LTS. It means long-term support. It will support for a longest period of time. So you have to choose your Windows installer.msi file according to your operating system. So if your operating system is 32-bit, just choose 32-bit. If your operating system is 64-bit, just choose 64-bit. Don't try to click other if you are using the Windows, and try to make sure that what types of operating system you are using. If you are using the Mac OS or Linux and other source code, so make sure that first of all your operating system and then your bit. So I'm using the 64-bit Windows, so I'm clicking here, and after clicking here it will take some time to download. After completion of the download, if I click here show in folder, then it will show me in the folder. So just you have to double click here, and after double clicking here it will just say just click next, just accept this license, accept this agreement, and then just click next, and just click next, just click next. And here is a one important things, that is tools for native models. It will automatically install the Chocolatey, because we need Chocolatey. If you are serious about the Node.js, we need the extra so many modules. So just make sure that you ticked here, just click here and click next and click install. It will take some time to install. So after completion of the installation, I will join with you. And now the Node.js is set up completely. So just click finish, and after clicking finish, press any key to continue. Just press enter, and just click S. It will automatically open the PowerShell, and it will download some required tool in Chocolatey. So Chocolatey v0.10.15 version is downloading, and so many things it will happen automatically here. I think this is almost finished. So just open your command prompt and make sure that you have installed the Node.js. Just type node and -b version. So you can see this is version is 14.16.1. Now I have downloaded the Node.js on my system.